Good morning students, welcome once again to online video class from PCHSS Balipada. So today we are going to discuss a new topic from a chapter called sex determination, which included under the subject of zoology. So yesterday I have taught you about the disease. Yesterday I have taught you about some cross and that is chromosomal theory of inheritance. That is chromosomal theory of inheritance. Now today I am going to discuss you about sex linkage in man. Okay, sex linkage in man. Now, nearly 20 X-linked genes are known to man. How many? 20 sex-linked genes. Sorry, 20 X-linked genes. Okay, are known to man. So it is included. So that nearly 20 X-linked genes are known to man. So they are the examples of. The examples are, first one is color blindness. Number 2, hemophilia. So these two topics are very important and these are present in your syllabus. Hemophilia. Okay, color blindness and hemophilia. Clear? So what is called color blindness? Color blindness, it is a disease. It is an inherited disease. Color blindness, it is an inherited disease which is carried from the parent to the next generation or to the offspring. It mainly unable to detect the color. So which are the colors are unable to detect and which is related to the disease of color blindness, that are red, green and blue. What? Red, green and blue. Clear? Color blindness. So first, color blindness. So color blindness was discovered by, who discovered color blindness? Color blindness was discovered by John Dalton. Okay, color blindness was discovered by John Dalton. How? He was unable to detect the color of which flowers he had detected. As the color of the flower was pink, but he was unable to detect the color when the color is pink, and he saw the color is to be what? Blue. Who knows? John Dalton. Okay, so in which flower he had just detected the color? Pelargonium zonale. Which flower? Pelargonium zonale. Pelargonium zonale is a flower. Okay, it is a plant. It is a plant which it bears. Which kind of flowers? Which it bears generally pink flower. Which flower? Pink color flower. Pink color flower. Okay, instead of detection of pink color flower, he had saw the color of a flower is blue, which it bears generally pink color flower. But John Dalton unable to detect the color of pink. Instead he detected the color of a flower to be blue. He detected the color of a flower to be blue. Okay, so who knows? John Dalton. In which flower? Pelargonium zonale. It is a plant, flowering plant. Clear? So what happens in color blindness? In color blindness, it mostly in case of retina, where in retina two kinds of cells are present. One is rod cells and another one is cone cell. And cone cell is what? A color sensitive light, and it is a bright sensitive cells. Which one? The cone cells. In the cone cells, it unable, the cone cells, in the cone cells, the light, the visible lights are, as we know, the color of the visible lights are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Okay, only a person having a color blindness can easily detect the color of little bit violet, but the rest of the color he unable to detect, because cone cells helps to respond the visible light. Which cell? Cone cell. But if a person is suffering from color blindness, the cone cells are unable to detect the color. Okay? So, which are the color unable to detect if a person is suffering from color blindness? Three colors a person unable to detect the color, where red, green, blue. Okay, red, green and blue. Okay, three colors. A person unable to detect the color were red, green and blue. So in which part of the cells, in retina? In retina, two types of cells are present. One is rod cells and another one is cone cells. So if a person is suffering from color blindness, so cone cells affected. Which cells affected? Cone cells get affected in retina. Cone cell, sorry, not retina. Cone cell is there. Retina, rod and cone. In retina, two types of cells are there: rod and cone cells. So which cells get affected? No, cone cells. And cone cell unable to detect the color. Which cell? Cone cells. Okay, if a person is suffering from color blindness, his cone cells doesn't function properly. Clear? So, if a person who is having a red and green is a X-linked disease. Okay, X-linked disease, and blue is autosomal disease. Autosomal. It is autosomal. X-linked disease, that is what? No, red and green and blue is autosomal. Clear? Autosomal disease. Clear? Not autosomal disease, that is autosomal chromosome. It is present in autosomal chromosomes. Okay? Blue color is autosomal. In autosomal chromosomes, blue color unable to detect. Clear? And in red and green, X-linked chromosomes. Which chromosomes? X-linked chromosomes. Which chromosomes? X-linked chromosomes. Clear? Red and green and blue is autosomal chromosomes. Clear? Now, if a person unable to detect the color of red, that person is called protanopia. Protanopia means person unable to detect red color. They are called protanopia. Next, green, deuteranopia. Okay, deuteranopia, person unable to detect green color. Person unable to detect green color. Okay, deuteranopia. So deuteranopia. Okay. Next, blue, tritanopia, unable to detect blue color, unable to detect to detect blue color. Unable to detect which color? Blue color. Okay, so these are the persons. If a person unable to detect red color, and that type of disorder or that type of disease has to be what? Protanopia. If a person unable to detect green color, that person is called deuteranopia. And if a person is unable to detect the blue color, and that type of a disease or disorder is said to be what? Tritanopia. What? Tritanopia. If a person is unable to detect any of the color, if a person is if a person is not able to detect any of the color, and that type of persons are called achromatopsia. So they are called achromatopsia. Clear? Achromatopsia. Which kind of disorder? That is achromatopsia. 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 Person unable to detect any of the color. Okay, they are called achromatopsia. They are called achromatopsia. Clear? Now, so there are few crosses and we have to solve. Normal, so in case of female, woman and man. Normal woman. Normal conditions of the chromosomes would be what? XX. Okay. Now carrier XC, because C is a color blindness. C stands for color blindness, where in X chromosome the gene which holds the carrier of the disease. Okay. Now, next carrier, and after that disease woman. Okay. Now three genotypes are there: normal XX, XCX, and XC and XC for woman. But in case of man, normal is XY, and there is no carrier. Remember, there is no carrier in male. In fact, they have, so they can be get affected, but no carrier in male. Okay. Disease. Clear? Understood? Now there you have to practice some. Now I am giving you some numericals, or not numericals. I am giving you some cross between the persons of affected or unaffected or carrier with affected. Okay, now you have to find out the generations or the disease which the child are absorbing the such kind of disease. Clear? First condition, when a normal man marries affected woman, what would be the progeny? What would be the individual which it is forming? Okay. Now, first, normal man. As we know, male and female, or you can write man and woman, not male and female. Man and woman. normal man XY and marries affected woman. Affected woman XC. Okay, affected woman, that is having a complete disease of woman. Now, what will be the segregation? So, in segregating, there will be the X and Y, and here XC by XC. Clear? Now, what it is forming? XC X. Clear? XC X. Again, XC Y. Now, XC Y. Clear? What happens now? Here, two daughters and two sons are forming. Two daughters and two sons are formed in a generations. Okay, na first generation. So, two daughters and two sons. Now, two daughter would be a carrier. Two carrier daughter. Two carrier daughter. Okay. Two carrier daughter, and here two affected son. Two affected son. As XCY and XCY are affected. Clear? So, when a normal man marries affected woman, so what will be the conditions for the generations of the next generation? That is two carrier daughter and two affected son. First conditions. Next, number 2. When a normal man marries carrier woman, when a normal man marries carrier woman, what would be the progeny? Man, carrier woman. Now remove this X here. Now X, Y, X, C by X. Look at here. X, C, X. X, C, Y, X, Y. What happens in these conditions when a normal man marries carrier woman? Okay, in first conditions there was a normal man marries a affected woman. Okay, which is having a disease of color blindness. Now, what happens in these conditions when a normal man marries carrier woman XY and XCX, that is what now carrier. So, what happens in the next generations of this condition? XCX, that is one of carrier daughter. Carrier daughter. Normal daughter. Affected son. Affected son. XY, normal son. Normal son. Clear? Look at it. Carrier daughter, one carrier daughter, one normal daughter, one affected son, and one normal son. When this condition, when this condition is taking place, when a normal man marries carrier woman. Clear? Next, number 3. This was number 2. Next, number 3. When a affected male, when an affected man marries normal woman, okay, what happens in this condition? Affected. XCY affected, okay. And here it is normal woman. X C X Y and X Y. What happens in these conditions? The two sun which it has formed, are normal sun, and here carrier daughter. Okay, carrier daughter. Here, when an affected man, okay, marries normal woman, what happens? Next, number 3. This is what to number 3. Next is number 4. When an affected man marries affected woman or carrier woman, okay? When an affected man marries affected woman, what happens? Affected man, XY, right? Affected woman. Look at here. XY, XC. Clear? Now, XC. Clear? Again, XC. Now, XCY. Again, XCY. So these are very dangerous situations. When a affected man marries affected woman, all the progeny or all the individuals which are forming, it is complete disease of color blindness. Clear? Look at it. Affected woman, so affected daughter, that is having complete 100% disease, that is affected daughter. Affected daughter, affected son. Clear? Affected son. So two daughters are affected and two sons are also affected in both conditions. Now, when an affected man marries carrier woman, what happens? Number 5. Over this one, next. When an affected man marries carrier woman, what happens? Carrier, X. Clear? XC. Okay? XCY. Clear? Here, completely affected daughter, carrier daughter, affected son, normal son. Okay? Over? Now, One chapter, that is color blindness chapter, I have taught today. Now next class I am going to teach you about a hemophilia, that is called Needle's disease or royal disease. Next class. Okay? Till then, it's over. Thank you.